I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm excited for today's video. I am installing a new wig. It's probably gonna be the last wig because one, these braids, you finna see them in a second. Once you can pull it up, it's time to take them out. Two, I want to silk press. It is silk press season. The wig's cute, you know, I had my little fun. It definitely helped me with my content, but yeah. And I'm excited that if this is the last one that I'm doing, that this is the one, because I really wanted the chance to get a, you know, one like coily, kinky type hair. So if you guys want to see more, let's go. Okay, so this is from HerGiven hair, and definitely check out their site if you are more into the hair textures that resemble more so like, you know, 4C, 4B, like those type textures, kinky, coily. They have wigs. I believe they have, don't quote me, I believe they have hair that you could use for braiding as well. But you know, froze, if you're looking for that. We're about to see this one. Cute packaging. Okay, so this is the wig itself, and there's also a strap in here. I'm not going to attach the strap, and honestly, truly, regardless of what the wig is, where it's from, one of the first things I do is cut out the little clips that come built into it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I need the wig as close to my scalp as possible, and even that little, and they always get like stuck in my braids, so no, I don't like it. Take them out immediately. But this is ooh, come on. This is the wig, and I'm about to show you in a second what is different about this one. So this is the Bye Bye Leave Out Thin Part wig. The texture is coily, 3C to 4A. Hair color is natural color, cap size is medium, hair length is 20 inches. So remember I said you're gonna see my braids in a second. So with this, you can wear this with no leave out, which is good for me because I wouldn't be able to wear it otherwise, the way my hair is braided up right now. So see that in the middle, it's like connected right there. Gonna snip that. So snip, snip, right? And then once you snip, there are clips here, so you'll need a middle part. We're not gonna say anything about the braids, okay? I literally only have one middle part left to show, so thankfully, that's the only middle part that I need. So you're gonna take it and then clip this into the two sides so that, you see where we're going here? Clip that in the back, and then take these pieces and start clipping them to the side. I think my middle part was a little too grown out, y'all, so I made it a side part, and now I'm going to take my pick, make sure that clip is in there, and pluck this out. Take little sections and just start picking. The pick is getting through here real easy. What's that Beyonce TikTok sound? I'm talking big. I wanted to say I'm here. Beyonce. That's literally like, hello? Hello. Exactly. I want Beyonce. I would, baby. Give me like 5 minutes. Watch. And I could have kept picking. I had to tell myself I'd put the pick down. Excuse me. And I feel like I prefer the side part. I feel like the middle part might have looked a little crazy on me, but I'm a millennial, so maybe that's why I like the side part. Let me go ahead and put some makeup on. A full face of this. And that is it for my face, y'all. Hair, makeup, absolutely positive. I'm gonna have to find something else to film after filming this because, excuse me. Now, I did go back and play around with the side part a little bit, and I pushed it a little bit behind my hairline just to, you know, help it blend in even more. But the thing is, like, my natural hair is so damn black, like black, and this is like a natural black color that like it kind of sticks out a little. But also, like, at that point, you are too far into my scalp if you notice that, okay? Back up. Thank you. But yeah, I did go back and tease it even more, and I probably could go back and tease it even more. When I said I wanted a fro, I want Beyonce, okay? And baby, yeah, when I start looking at myself in the viewfinder like that, just know I'm really feeling it. I'm really, excuse me? Yes. This is what I mean when I say wash and go. Wash and go. Throw it on and go. Love that for me. Okay, so thoughts on this? Absolutely positively, HerGiven. Baby, this might be the best one. The best one that I done tried yet, because look at her, she's just so cute. So if that is more your thing, you know, you want the coily, you want the curly, you want, it looks like yours, but it's a wig, it's, you know, some type of extension, it's something like that, this is definitely the brand for you to check out. It's just, she's just so cute. But yeah, easy, definitely a little bit of a learning curve. You just gotta figure out like where you want your parts. If you want a side part, middle part, it's nice that you can, I think you can actually like order it so that it comes like side parted or middle parted. But if you're like me and you can just play around, see where it is that you like it. The hair feels very nice. Was easy to get the pick through it. Pretty sure just wet it and then get it back down. It looks good, it feels good. Yeah, this one, if this is the last wig that I'm bringing y'all for the year, she did what she needed to do, absolutely positively. She's just so cute. And it's very user-friendly. It's very easy to figure out how to use. It's very easy to use. You literally just clip it in to your hair. And then baby, when you're done, take that off, go about your business. So yeah, that is it for this video. Everything about this will be in the description down below, all the specifications, stuff like that. Definitely make sure to check them out. And yeah, I will see y'all. That is it for this video. So make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.